Alright, here's my new piece. This is called Licorice All Sorts. Here she is. She's off to Tokyo. You can see her right here. Nice balm. There she is. It's outside my studio today. Got some nice stuff going on here. Some nice holographic detailing there. Here's her face. Some spiky stuff. It's about 5 foot high, made in fiberglass. Boots, nice sparkly base. There she is. That's Licorice All Sorts. And over here we have Pussy Whipped. This one is also going off. It's got a fly on it. Bugger off. This one is also, you can see the close-up of our eyes there. Teeth. There she is. Nice holographic paint. Nice.